turn or is she?
Find out. Is this the first step in freedom here?
Sorry, Lord, you have to watch where you're going, not your feet.
Hit the brakes.
Where's the brake?
You pedal backwards. Or, this is a brake right here. You squeeze that.
Now I want to go it again.
Do it again. Turn it around.
Okay, let me get off.
There you go.
Grandpa, come watch.
Oh. There you go.
Gotta watch where you're driving though.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Let me see big smile.
Where's Grandpa?
He's coming. We're waiting.
Can't wait for him. You're ready to roll. Head up.
She likes to watch.
Lauren, eyes up. Lauren, eyes up. There you go.
Good bike.